In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan your Instagram feed using Canva. Whether you're a seasoned Instagram influencer or just looking to make your personal feed a bit more visually appealing, Canva is a fantastic tool to streamline your content creation process. Let's dive right in. To start, you want to navigate to Canva's website, and in the search bar at the top, type in Instagram feeds. This simple action will open up a plethora of templates specifically designed for Instagram. Canva is rich with options, so take a moment to browse through the different styles available. From sleek modern designs to fun and colourful layouts, you're sure to find something that aligns with your personal or brand aesthetic. Once you've browsed and have an idea of what you like, it's time to select a template. Scan through the options and choose the one that best fits your vision for your feed. This is one of the great benefits of Canva. Having an array of templates at your fingertips can spark creativity and make the design process much more manageable, especially if you're not a professional designer. After selecting your preferred template, the next step is to click on Customize this template. This action opens the design editor where you can start tailoring the template to suit your unique style. Here you can adjust colors, add your images, or even tweak the layout itself. Canva's drag and drop interface is intuitive and user-friendly, meaning you don't need any design expertise to get started. One of the fantastic features of Canva is the ease of editing text on any given template. If the template includes text blocks, you can click directly on these areas and insert your own words. This can be particularly useful if you're aiming to maintain a consistent tone or message across your Instagram feed. Whether you're sharing a powerful quote, promoting a product, or simply customizing it with your personal captions, changing the text is as simple as clicking and typing. As you work, remember that Canva allows you to save your progress so you can return to your designs anytime to make adjustments. Experiment with different elements, fonts, colors, images, until you've captured exactly what you're aiming for. Having this flexibility lets you play around with different ideas before committing to that final post. Before wrapping up, ensure you review the overall alignment and composition of your design. Instagram is a highly visual platform, so having a cohesive and attractive feed can significantly enhance your presence. Once satisfied, you can download your design or post it directly to Instagram if you have the Canva app on your mobile device. So there you have it, a straightforward process to plan a stunning Instagram feed using Canva. With a little bit of practice, you'll be crafting professional level designs in no time, ready to impress your followers and leave a lasting impression.